Ever wondered what one shade could represent the entire beauty guru universe? Imagine a color that embodies the essence of every makeup artist's creativity and passion. What if we could blend the creativity of Jaclyn Hill, the artistry of Nikki Tutorials, and the boldness of Jeffree Star, all into a single, mesmerizing hue? Think about the endless possibilities and the vibrant looks that could be created with such a unique shade. All these elements combined into one color that tells a story of collaboration and innovation. Welcome to Glow Envy. Get ready, beauty lovers, because that's exactly what we did. We embarked on a journey to find this perfect shade. This journey began with a simple question. What is the average eyeshadow color? It's a question that sparked endless curiosity and led us down a rabbit hole of colorful chaos. We analyzed countless palettes and shades. The result? A color that represents the heart and soul of the beauty community. A true testament to the power of collaboration. The beauty community thrives on eyeshadow palettes. Every launch is a new adventure, a chance to explore different colors, textures, and finishes. From vibrant rainbows to sultry neutrals, eyeshadow palettes are like treasure chests filled with endless possibilities. For this experiment, we gathered a mountain of palettes from the biggest names in the game. We're talking Jaclyn Hill, Too Faced, Nikki Tutorials, Makeup Revolution, BH Cosmetics, ColourPop, Maybelline, Urban Decay, the list goes on. Or that shimmery shades often have a creamier texture than their matte counterparts. This makes them easier to apply and blend, adding a touch of sparkle to any look. It was like a crash course in eyeshadow science. We delved into the properties of different textures and finishes, gaining a deeper appreciation for the art of makeup. The experience was both educational and inspiring. After what felt like an eternity of blending, our average eyeshadow shade emerged. The process was meticulous, requiring patience and precision, but the result was worth every second. And guess what? It was a surprisingly wearable light brown with a subtle shimmer. This shade had a versatility that made it perfect for both everyday wear and special occasions. This shade reminded us of a familiar friend, Mac's Saddle perhaps. Its warm undertones and smooth texture were unmistakable. Or maybe Makeup Geek's Creme Brulee. The resemblance was uncanny, making it a delightful discovery for any makeup enthusiast. It was fascinating to see how the unique personalities of so many different palettes could blend together to create something so universally flattering. Each palette contributed its own special touch, resulting in a harmonious blend. This experiment was a testament to the power of collaboration, even in the world of eyeshadow. It showed that when creative minds come together, they can produce something truly extraordinary. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you in the next one.